mainly go about 300 or 400 metres up here and have our first stop. You can look in the bush now and you may think, oh, there's not a lot flowering, but in reality, if you look closely, there's quite a lot. And what happens is, the thin-headed wasp, the male, he flies around and he's looking for a female to mate with, and he sees that labellum and he comes down to grab it, because the female thin-headed wasp, she can't fly, she just walks around on the ground, but she can only mate in flight. So the male has to pick her up and carry her away and have his way with her. So he sees one of these and he thinks, oh beauty, there she is. So he grabs hold of that, and the column flips over and whacks him on the head. And he goes, oh, bloody hell, got a whack on the head. So off he goes and finds another one. And the same thing happens, he gets a whack on the head.
So he finishes up concussed.
Yeah. So when he does find a real female wasp and picks her up, the first thing he does is duck. Like, no. And then when the female wasp is impregnated, she has to find near here the burrow of a beetle, which lays its eggs down 40 centimetres. So it's got to burrow down the sand near here and lay its eggs. So the female wasp has to find that filled-in burrow, and she digs down and lays her eggs there so that her young have something to eat when they hatch.
Wow.
And then out they come and it all goes again. So just to have that flower, you've got to have the wasps, the beetles, the deep sand, which is why hammer orchids don't grow in rocky country or anywhere, because the beetle can't dig down and lay its eggs. We're going to go and visit the Queen of Sheba.